Hello everyone, Genty Belle here. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you my first unboxing for the 2022-2023 Graphic 45 brand ambassador. I'm very excited to be a part of this team for another year. And so this is my very first box and it just arrived and I want to show you what all I have inside here and share with you what I may be doing with these things. So firstly, I have the Deluxe Collector's Edition of Safari Adventure. I absolutely love this collection. I have a lot of the original, and I was really happy to see them bring it back. When I do create with this, I will definitely be bringing out some pieces from my stash that are no longer available, but I will... as those projects progress, I will let you know what I've done that they no longer carry. So with the new Deluxe Collector's Edition, though, you do get 2 each of the 12 double-sided 12 by 12 papers. You get the set of the chipboard, which is this gorgeous bright colored chipboards, and 1 each of 2 6 by 12 sticker sheets. So all of this amazingness you can create a lot with. So let me just show you some of the papers in here if you're not familiar with this collection. So this one is like the main page, and we have all these gorgeous animals, and then you flip it over and you get this gorgeous, gorgeous print, leopard print. Beautiful. Here we have these vivid colors. This is a Fussy Cutter's Dream here, which I do love to fussy cut. And you have all this in the background. And then on the back side, we have this gorgeous green lush landscape, it's called. Here we have some super fun advertising. They call it Serengeti Outfitters. And then some beautiful stripes. And I will say that I do have the original Patterns and Solids that is not available right now, but there are a lot of patterns and solids out there that you could use with this. This green is a very popular Graphic 45 color, so is the blue, so is the red. There are a lot out there that you could mix and match with this. So here we have all these little groups of the animals, and on the back, this gorgeous, classic-looking writing with all the different animal names. Ooh, zebras. This is gorgeous. And on the back side of that, we have some black and ivory writing. Another Fussy Cutter's Dream right here. This is gorgeous. All those beautiful parrots. And on the back, that gorgeous leaves. Here we have the cut-apart sheets. And you get all of these. And then the back side is this gorgeous script with giraffes. Ooh, look at this. It's a mix of all the fun animal prints. And then on the back, we have some more print. Gorgeous map of Africa here. Interesting. And then when we turn this over, we have this gorgeous print on the back. I have some elephants here. Turn this over, and it's that print again with all the lettering, but on ivory. Some more cut-aparts here. And then the back side is that print again, only in ivory. Another beautiful fussy cut page to do. Just absolutely loving this. And then we have those gorgeous leaves on the back. So that is the Deluxe Collector's Edition of Safari Adventure. Let me just gather all that up and set it off to the side here, and then I will be putting that away. All right, so next in the box here, I have some of the Graphic 45 dies. This is the Tag, Pocket, and Butterfly dies. As you can see, they make all these fun little things. Hopefully the glare from the packaging isn't too bad. I've also got some of the albums in here. So I have the Black Rectangle Tag and Pocket album. This features 12 cardstock pages, 6 double-sided peekaboo pocket pages, and 6 cardstock tags are included in this. And the book itself measures 6 by 8 by 3. And I got that in black. And then I also have, for staples in here, I have the Ivory ATC Tag and Pocket album. And this one's super fun. It's 4 by 5, tiny little book here. And it features 16 total Ivory cardstock pages, 8 cardstock pages, 4 double-sided peekaboo pocket pages, and 4 cardstock tags. So that's how they break down the 16. And then here I have a set of the stacking circle boxes. So in this set, you get one large box that is 6 inches by 2, and a small box that is 5.5 by 1.5. So those are super fun. I also grabbed a set of the totes. These are wonderful. You can maybe see a little better on camera how large these are. These are wonderful for traveling and taking your craft supplies with you when you go places. There's this fun little zippy one that comes, and this is sold as a set. Also in here for staples, I wanted to stock up on tags and such because I do use a lot of these. So I do have some of the large craft tags, some of the regular craft tags. I have some of the Ivory and some of the craft 4.25 by 5.5 cards with envelopes, some black regular tags, Ivory regular tags. And then, of course, speaking of staples, I must have my hardware. So I have a set of the antique metal door pulls and some of the metal page corners. Grabbed also some of the new released hybrid ink pads. So I have the black here, the brick red, and the marine blue. And I eventually probably will get all of them. These are just what I started with. I also stuck up on my ribbon trims. So I have the Triumphant Red, the French Lilac and Purple Royalty, the Bon Voyage and French Blue, the Classic Ivory and Natural Linen, and the Photogenic Black. All of the different trims that are offered at Graphic 45. And I also grabbed some of the Triumphant Red roses and the French Bon Voyage and French Blue roses. And then what I chose to do is get some items that coincided with things I already had, and I could make some more larger scaled projects with them. One of my favorite of all time Graphic 45 collections. I love any of the beach collections, but one of my absolute favorite is Catch of the Day. So I grabbed an 8x8 pad of this and the ephemera assortment to make something with, because like I said, I just love, love, love that collection. Another favorite of mine is Well Groomed, and I have created with this in the past, this last year, but I just absolutely love this collection and wanted the opportunity to do something with that again. So I got the Patterns and Solids as well as the 8x8 for that collection. I also got the Patterns and Solids for that Catch of the Day. And the Patterns and Solids for the Let It Be collection, which I absolutely love and still have quite a bit of from my audition project. So I'm going to be using that, but I wanted to get more of the Patterns and Solids because I did use a lot of them. And I also have here some of the craft chipboard sheets. These are 32-point medium weight chipboard. And then the Shades of Purple paper flower assortment I also chose to get. So that is my Graphic 45 2022-2023 first brand ambassador package, and I wanted to share that with you. So I hope that you have enjoyed this walkthrough of all this fun stuff and look forward to creating with it. And I hope that you join me and subscribe to my channel if you don't already, and watch for videos on what I will be creating with all these fun things. Happy paper crafting!